I want to show you this little guy. I know anybody that's, followed Bob Proctor, and I know a lot of you that follow me have. If you haven't ever followed Bob or never seen what this thing is, this is called the stick person. And it's a very basic model to explain how your mind actually works. This image, it was an image, it was just a drawing originally. I had a client actually make one for me. It's made of heavy tempered steel, about 5 pounds. Um, it was originally an image created by a doctor back in the early 1900s. And how Bob got a hold of it was he met a couple people that were working with the guy that created this image. And the doctor wanted to give his patients an image of the mind so they could understand how the mind actually works. So he drew that image and he started teaching us through what's called concept therapy. And a couple of guys, Dr. C. Harry Roeder and Leland Val Vanderwall, were out there teaching how the mindset actually works. This is the early 70s. And Bob met these guys. And when Bob saw this image and it was explaining to him how it actually works, I mean, the light bulb went off. And, since then, he was just teaching it every day of his career.